Yippee. Everything. What can I say? It's all about the club, about the team, what we worked for in the last 14 months. So I know it's always like this. You will always find a few people that say, yeah, just Champions League. It's only Champions League. We feel we wanted to be part of it with all we have. And I thought the boys played a few pieces of outstanding football. How it is in a game like this, especially against opponents like Hoffenheim, you also have a few problems. That's how it is. But really happy about the deserved qualification for the group stage.